Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion brake pads. First, gather all your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Next, safely lift your vehicle and remove the wheel to gain access to the brake assembly. Always ensure your car is securely supported on jack stands before you start any work for your safety. Now that your car is safely supported, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by taking out the 2 caliper guide pins, which will allow you to free the brake caliper. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor, making sure to secure it so it doesn't hang and stress the brake line. Finally, you can easily extract the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, you'll need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Then, carefully install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit perfectly. Finally, reattach the brake caliper and secure it firmly with the guide pins. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle. Make sure to torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification for safety. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This helps seat the new pads properly. For those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other helpful deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.